If you can't tap into the sound of God, you will never speak His voice. You will never carry His voice. We are not praying in our own voice, but we are praying in the voice of Jesus. We are praying, oh, my situation, listen to the voice of Jesus. Oh, my situation, listen to the voice of Jesus. I'm not praying on my own voice. I'm not praying with my own sound, but I'm using the sound of Jesus. Oh, you poverty, hear the sound of Jesus. Oh, you sickness, hear the voice of Jesus. Hear the voice of Jesus, because He's coming like rushing waters. Oh, you situation that you don't want to move. Oh, you Zerubbabel, you mountain before Zerubbabel, what are you? I'm coming like rushing waters. When God comes, not even mountain stands. It's chasing the days of Noah, when he came like a flood. It even covered the mountains. You could not see any mountain. That's what rushing waters do from the Lord. That if there's a mountain before you that doesn't want to move, if there's something stubborn in your life that doesn't want to break loose, someone enter into the sound of Jesus, enter into the voice of Jesus, and release that sound. Oh yana mama mama mama, akapaka te yana mama, rekepe yana poya. Someone must capture the sound, to move with the sound, because with the sound, oh my God. With the sound, we change things. So every time when we come to church, every Sunday, lioness come. Ah, lioness come. Blessed adore, Son of David. Ibao, Ibae, Ibao, Akapaya Nakatepe. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Blessed are those. Ah, blessed are you, Lord. Ah. Okay, yeah, na 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 ya. Yeah, na 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 ya. Yeah, na 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 ya. Yeah, na 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 ya. Bow.